What's up guys, it's the Smart Home Helper, and today I'm going to be showing you how to add a code on the Yamiry lock. Now I have another video on how to sync up the lock, but this video I'm going to be walking through how to add a code. So once you sync it up and you're able to get it on the app, within the app is actually where you'll be adding the code. So I'm going to go ahead and take you to the app now and I'm going to walk you through it. But at any point, if you guys have any questions or anything like that, definitely leave a comment, but let me go ahead and show you. All right, so here's the nice Digi app. If you don't have the lock showing up in there, please watch my other video. It'll show you how to sync it up. It's there on the top, but we're gonna start off here on the bottom and I'm gonna show you how to create short-term codes or quick codes if you're not looking to add a member. All the codes here are gonna be auto-generated for you to be able to use, and you can delete at any time. I've seen it work pretty quickly, but you can see here that one was an estimated time. But if you want to put in a locked code, you'll go to the memory or the members, and you'll choose on the user. You'll hit add passcode, and then from here you'll auto-generate it. So you go ahead and click that, and then you can name the passcode as well. I will say, like I said before on the other ones, you can delete them at any time. But that's how easy it is to set up a code here. I will say with this lock, you can't create a code. It's always going to be auto-generated, which is a little different. But if you guys had any questions going through this, just let me know. It's pretty simple stuff, but happy to help you guys out. And let me know if you have any questions. And don't forget to subscribe.